I'm Jared Litchfield, and I'm from Portland, Tennessee. This is my wife's Scout. She calls it Ginger.
Really? She looks like a ginger. So what all have you done to it?
We have done a 2.5-inch lift, wheels and tires, and the roof rack, and that's how it was when we got it. Just it's original paint, original interior.
It looks clean.
We just drive it. She drives it to work. We take it on some long trips. We've been to Wisconsin. We've been to Austin, Texas.
How's it handle on the highway?
Does good. One hand down the road. It can run 75, 80 with traffic. It's got the 345 automatic.
What's your future plans?
Drive it.
Nothing major to do.
Nope.
Boy, she looks clean. Where did it come from?
Portland, Oregon.
Oh wow, that's why it's pretty rust-free.
We have a rooftop tent. We go up
Oh, okay.
with it. We take our kids. We've got 3 kids. We go camping with it.
So you have run it off-road a little bit?
A little bit, nothing extreme, but
Oh, that's a sharp rig.
we thoroughly enjoyed it.
Anything else about it you want to tell us?
I
That about covers it?
think that about covers it.
All right. Thanks for showing us.
Yes, sir.